What happened to the Ingenuity helicopter? NASA's one of the most anticipated Perseverance rover landed on the Martian surface quite a while ago. But the first flight of the Ingenuity helicopter just happened yesterday on 19th April 2021. Do you know why it took so long it to fly for the first time? Well, at first, it is a multi-billion dollar project. And aside from the monetary factor, it is an incredibly complicated technology. This was the first time that a man-made drone was flying on a different planet. And it was all autonomous. The distance between Mars and Earth made it almost impossible to control a flying object in real time. Which is why Ingenuity had to separate itself from the belly of Perseverance and then decide to fly on its own. The flight was initially scheduled on 11th of April. But before the test, NASA wanted to test the high-speed rotor blades. And during the first flight test, the rotation of the blades were causing issues at high RPM. Luckily, there was an issue with the software and not the hardware. So NASA fixed the issue with a simple software update from Earth, and then we could saw the takeoff and landing of the Ingenuity. Obviously, when someone invests 6 years out of their life into making something incredible, they'll try to remove even the slightest chance of the failure. Now, as we have flown the helicopter on Mars, what comes next? Well, it was just a technology demonstration. As Mars' atmosphere is pretty thin, JPL wanted to have a short test flight before they can actually build something for a long run. Ingenuity can of course fly, but it can fly within the radius of 300 meters from the Perseverance rover itself. That is why we could see all the colorful images and videos of the Ingenuity flying in Mars, because there are cameras mounted on the Ingenuity rover. As of now, there are no immediate plans for next Mars mission, but the data collected from Perseverance and Ingenuity will surely unravel many secrets from the hidden pockets of Mars. So tell us in the comment section, what do you think about the first flight by Ingenuity? And would you like to see Tesla landing on Mars next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have enjoyed the video, please give us a like and do subscribe to the channel so that we can keep bringing interesting contents just for you. With this, signing out for now. See you in the next one.